Hi guys, today let us discuss about sets. So, what is set? Set is a common word we can use in our daily life. For example, we say our bangle set, correct? We say our bangles as a set. So, a set of bangles or a set of chocolates, a group we can say as set. So, here is our commonly used words in maths like natural numbers. What is natural number? It is denoted by n, right? So, what is a natural number? What natural number includes? It includes numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on without 0. It doesn't include 0. So, next integers we can donate as z. It is a integers. What are integers? Integers are like a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on including 0. Next, rational number. It is denoted by q. It is denoted by a letter q. Rational numbers include p by q form. For example, 3 by 2, 5 by 7, 9 by 11. These are all rational numbers. Then next, real numbers. It is denoted by r, a letter r. Now, real number includes all these natural numbers, rational numbers, integers. These are all included in real numbers. Real number includes natural number, integers, then rational numbers. I am explaining you it because in our next problems we will use natural numbers, integers, rational numbers to make a set. We can commonly say sets as well defined collection of objects. It is a collection of objects. For example, one shirt and one pant is a set, is a one set. A bangles together is one set. And one jug with 6 cups is another example. These are all examples I am giving you as we use in our daily life. So this is a sets. Common one we can say set is a collection of objects. Now there are two methods of representing a sets. There are two methods to represent a set. First is roster form, roster or tabular form, and second is set builder form. First, let us discuss about roster form. Hi students, I am new to YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new solved questions. Like my video and share knowledge with your friends. Thank you. Roster form is simply nothing but representing a set in flower brackets. For example, this set of all even, positive, integer less than 7. What are positive integer less than 7? Even, that too even. Here these are integers. Now we want positive integers. So these are positive integers. What are even numbers less than 7? It is 2, 4, 6, right? And we represent this set as roster form. By presenting a flower bracket, it represents as roster form. Another example is set of all vowels in English. What are vowel letters in English? That is A, E, I, O, U. This is a set of all vowels in English. So we represent it in roster form. Next, coming to set builder form. It is a vice versa. They will give in roster form. We have to convert like this. This is a set builder form. For example, they will give like this. We have to convert this into set builder form. For example, A equals x is to x is a all vowels in English. This is what our answer for this. Another example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How we can write this? We can write it as x equals x is to x is, what are x? X is all positive even integers less than 12. Less than 12. This is what examples for set builder form.